How to change phone number on blizzardbattle.net. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on blizzardbattle.net. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open blizzardbattle.net and sign in if you haven't already. Then click on My Account in the top right corner. Click on Account Settings. Scroll down. In your Information section, click on Account Details. Scroll down. In your Phone Number section, click on Update. Then click on Change. You will receive a security code on the number that you have registered. Enter the security code here and click on Submit. Now enter the new phone number. Check this box and click on Submit. So this is how you can change your phone number on blizzardbattle.net.